Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Social Security benefits and estimate tax using AARP tool step by step clearly. To withdraw your Social Security benefits, start by visiting the Social Security Administration website. Log into your Social Security account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the section labeled Manage Your Benefits. Look for the option that states Withdraw Social Security Benefits. Click on that option to begin the withdrawal process. Follow the prompts, carefully reading any information provided about the withdrawal policy. Select the reason for your withdrawal from the list provided. If required, provide any supporting information or documentation. Submit your withdrawal request and note any confirmation number you receive. Next, to estimate your tax on Social Security benefits, visit the AARP tax calculator page. Locate the Social Security Benefits Estimator tool. Enter the amount of your expected Social Security benefits for the year. Input additional income sources if prompted, such as wages or pensions. Complete any additional fields as required by the tool. Review the estimated tax results generated by the calculator. If desired, explore any tax-saving strategies suggested by the AARP tool. Ensure you save or print your results for future reference. This will help you plan your finances effectively as you approach retirement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.